So continuing with the paper, if we move on to question number 25, it's replace the text, place your candidate details here with your name, center number and candidate number. Place a non-breaking space between the colon and your candidate details. So here, website last edited by place your candidate details. This should be replaced with your name, center number and candidate number. Place a non-breaking space means the space after the colon. Breaking space means there should be an enter key soon after the colon, but non-breaking space means a space without a new line. And next question is, add a title to the head section of your web page which displays CTB homepage. This means that either you can save this page as CTB homepage, like click on file, save as, and then you can save it onto your folder, and you can name this as CTB homepage. And if you do so, the same, and since if you do so, it will be saved as CTB homepage.html, and as well as this should be added as a title to the head section. So you have to go to the code section, click soon after the head, and add a title there. As CTB homepage. Now next is, place a bookmark before the table at the top of the page. Before the table at the top of the page. Using the text in the lower cell of the table, create a hyperlink from the text. Click on this link to return the user to the bookmark. Create a hyperlink from the text CTB to open the web page. Create a hyperlink from the text email our design team to send an email to webdesign@hothousedesign.co.uk with the subject line my question. So in this question you need to do 3 hyperlinks. Before we start with the hyperlink, we need to create a bookmark at the top of the page. So make sure that your cursor is at the top of the page. I made my cursor above the table, and then insert a bookmark. Since it is on the top of the page, I'm going to mark it as, or name it as, top. So a bookmark is created. Now I don't need to see this as a paragraph, so I can delete this paragraph, remove this, but still the anchor tag is there, a name is equal to top. And now the first hyperlink is, using the text in the lower cell, create a hyperlink from the text. Click on this link to return to the user to the bookmark. So in the lower cell, click on this link for the top of the page. So you have to select the word, click on this link completely, and click on insert or right click and then choose hyperlink properties, and you need to add a bookmark. So this is in the existing file or existing web page, so make sure that you are in this option. Go to bookmark button, and then there is only one bookmark that we created, that is top. Choose that and click OK. So this is the address of your bookmark, which is #top. Now click OK. You can see here the link is created, ahref is equal to #top. So here we created a bookmark. Here we created a bookmark. A name is equal to htop, and here you linked that word. Click on this link to this bookmark, which is again named as top. So the first hyperlink is done. Now the second one, create a hyperlink from the text CTB to open the web page. They didn't ask us to open in a different tab or open in different window, so you can just create a hyperlink to the word CTB. So choose the word CTB and go to hyperlink. It's again a web page that you are creating. You are not placing in this document, or you are not creating any new document, or you are not emailing anything. You are creating a hyperlink. So that address need to be given here. The address is cursor is not helping me to copy this. Let me type it then. It's www.hothousedesign. It's not here as well. hothousedesign.co.uk/jctv. That's it. Now click OK. A hyperlink is created. Ahref is equal to, this is before the word CTP, a hyperlink got created to this particular web page. Now next hyperlink is create a hyperlink from the text email our design team to send an email. So here, click here to email. So you need to make a hyperlink to the word email. Click on insert hyperlink, and you are going to send an email when you click on this particular word. So you have to choose this option, email address, and the address of the email is webdesign@hothouse.uk. Hothouse, and the subject line should be my question, design.co.uk, and subject should be my question. So there also a hyperlink got created. This is the one, or if you see to the code, a hyperlink got created for the word email. So we got 9 marks. Now question number 28, attach the file 173st.css as an external style sheet to your web page. So you can go to format, you can go to CSS styles and attach style sheet. You can browse for your style sheet in your folder. This is the one. So I think there is no much yeah, this is a style sheet only. There is h1. So there are some questions that we need to edit the style sheet. So question number 29, open the style sheet in a suitable software package, already it's there, and then add your name, sender number and candidate number as a comment to the top of the style sheet. So to add a comment, you have to start with /* your name, sender number and candidate number, and close the comment using //. And next, the web page and style sheet must work in any browser and use the most efficient method. All color codes are in hexadecimal. Edit the style sheet. Make sure style sheet contains no HTML. The style sheet must meet these specifications. Now heading style 1, font should be Arial. That's a priority. If that is not available, the second priority is for Calibri, or if these fonts are not available, the browser's default sans serif font. So it's there, it's already given, I just need to edit it. Already it is mentioned Arial, Calibri, I just need to add sans serif there. So h1 is done. Now color of h1 is FF, no blue, no green. So if you follow RGB pattern, it's FF 00 and 00. So I need to add it up. I'm going to type it, red RGB, right? So #FF0000. A different method is to do the same thing. You can go to CSS properties, you can choose font, yeah, here the color is already there. So instead of typing here, I can just type in this color either by choosing red and make sure that this code is correct. So I will get it automatically instead of typing. And next is sender alignment the text. So it comes in block text align. So I have to choose center